Hi, I'm Paul Bush with TJ Snow. We're here at FABTECH 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I just want to kind of talk to you about the two-gun SlimLine that we have now. We have a lot of features on this one. The biggest and main one is the data tracking ability. So what we have is on our recipe screens, they're all bar-coded. And then so what we would do is scan our recipe. Also, the parts are also bar-coded for part tracking. So we scan a part, load it. Scan the second one, and we load it. Cycle the machine. Then once the cycle is complete, we get our weld data from both weld guns, gun 1 and gun 2. We can also go back and we can look at our weld data log. Go back and through all our previous welds and stuff. Those are stored on the SD card on the PLC. It can be removed, put into your computer. That way you can back up that data. And sometime later in the field, that part breaks. You can look at the serial number and go back to your weld data, find out exactly the currents and all that kind of stuff for the particular weld. Just some other things. We've got the LVDTs on here. These are to measure the stack up and the set down of the weld nuts. Make sure you have them placed the correct orientation and all.